Very good morning to all dignitaries, respected faculty members, and all participants. On behalf of Professor Ram Meghe Institute of Technology and Research, I, Nilima Pardakhe, welcome you all to the first session of 1 week online short-term training program on research and publication ethics, organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering in association with Research Promotion Cell, PRMITR Badnera, and CSI Amravati chapter. To deliver the first session on philosophy and ethics, we feel honored to have with us Dr. S.V. Bansod. Heartily welcome to you, sir. Dr. S.V. Bansod is professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Professor Ram Meghe Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera. He has 36 years of teaching experience and research experience. He has completed his PhD in Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University in 2006. He has guided 10 candidates under his supervision for the PhD and more than 25 students under the master level. He has published 1 patent and 67 research papers at various national and international journals in conferences as an author and the co-author. He is the life member of various professional membership. He has received S.V. Patwardhan Memorial Award for the best paper published in the Journal of Indian Water Works Association in 1920. Also, Sir has received the prize for the best lecture delivered at Indian Water Works Association in 2008. Dr. Bansod is the chairman of Board of Studies of Production Engineering and member of Faculty of Engineering and Technology at Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Sir is the member of Board of Studies of Production Engineering and the member of Faculty of Engineering Technology at Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj University, Nagpur. Dr. Bansod is the member of RRC of Nagpur as well as Amravati University. Socially, Dr. Bansod is attached with the Tej Gyan Foundation, that is Happy Thoughts. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation and joining us. The session will be the interactive session, so I request all participants to raise hand and kindly cooperate with Dr. Bansod. Now I request Dr. Bansod to proceed further for the first session. Thank you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So let's start. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
So our topic today for discussion is philosophy, morals, values, ethics, and justice.
Great, sir.
Now, before we start this topic, it seems too heavy to understand, but it's like, say, we all may not know what is law of gravitation, but things operate as per that law, or we may not know law of attraction, but things operate as per that. So it's like this. So let's start with basics of ethics, philosophy, morals, and values. Now, our STTP is on ethics in research and publication. Unless we know about ethics in our life, it will not be good to apply it to ethics anywhere. So first we'll try to know what is philosophy. And the philosophy as it is defined, it is the study of knowledge, reality, and existence. Existence means what? Existence in this universe. How you are staying in this universe as an human being, as a member of a family, as a member of society as a whole. So these views are expressed by different philosophers, like Socrates is one of them. They express their views and opinions, and this becomes philosophy. Now in this, there are 2-3 questions which are very important. First question is, who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? Second question is, why am I here? What is my purpose? Or what is real in this universe? So let's start with a gameplay, question answer gameplay. So I want somebody to participate. I will pause screen sharing for some time. Screen sharing. Yes, Sangram, can you pause the screen sharing and let me know who will participate? One participant, I will do a question answer gameplay. Can you show him on screen?
स्टॉप ये उनकी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग बता दो उनको.
हाँ, screen sharing is stopped?
Yes sir.
Yes. So one person who is ready to participate.
वीडियो ऑन करना है, बंद करना है? बंद करूं?
उसका वीडियो ऑन करो, उनको थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन पे लेके आओ. आनंद चौधरी इज देयर?
तो ना मतलब वो दिखेगा ना फिर अपना. वो रेज हैंड किया, उसको करो, उसका अनम्यूट करो. तो हैंड रेज के अंदर
अंकित मुने has raised hand.
हाँ yes.
Okay, Ankit. So please enlarge his screen if possible. Ankit, can you enlarge Ankit's screen and can you unmute him? Any one participant will do. Even Sangram, you can be the participant, no problem.
So you raise your hand so that we can unmute you.
Any participant, please.
Chat में भी दिखा दो इसमें.
Ankit Mune is there, na?
Yeah.
Ankit Mune is enlarge his screen. I will ask him few questions.
बोलना.
उनको अनम्यूट करिए, अंकित को.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ankit. Yes. So we are looking at what is philosophy. Is that
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And philosophy is related with knowledge,
Yes, sir.
with knowledge of self, with knowledge
Yes.
of existence, etc. So
Yes, sir.
let's answer few questions. I will ask you one question so many times, and you will be answering that. For example,
sir.
who are you?
Human being.
Who are you?
Ankit.
Who are you?
Living things.
Who are you?
part of the universe,
Who are you?
part of the this college.
Who are you?
Uh, sorry, sir. This is
Nobody.
nobody.
Your
Yes, sir.
father, you are a part of society. So many things you are.
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Yes,
you
sir.
are answering, is that you? That is a question now, right?
Yes, sir.
These are all roles you are playing, right? Can you
Yes,
show
sir.
me your spec with hand? Yes, this is
Yes, sir.
your spec.
Yes, sir.
Now, when this spec, when you are calling it as spec,
Yes,
your
sir.
spec and you are different.
Yes, sir. Both are different things.
Both are different things. Can you show your hand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is your hand. So
Yes, sir.
your hand and you are different.
Yes, sir. No,
So
hand and me part
hand,
of the body.
you say it is my hand. Is it
Yes, sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
This hand is not you.
No, sir.
It is your hand. It is
Yes, sir.
your spec. It is
Yes,
your
sir.
hand. When you
Hand.
look in mirror, what do you see? Full
I will
mirror
see.
is there. A full mirror. You are standing
Full-
in front of full mirror. What do you
Yes,
see?
sir. I will see myself in front of mirror.
You
My
will
full
see.
image.
Will you see your body?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what you are seeing in mirror is your body.
Yes, sir.
So who are you?
Ankit.
You are Ankit. You
Yes, sir.
are member of, but you are not body.
Yes, sir.
You are different than your body,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Yes, sir.
this explanation is very essential for understanding about ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Something is there which is different. You are not a body. You are not a body. You are feeling that you are body, but
Yes, sir.
as just like a pen is different than you, or your spec is different than you, or your body is different than you, that much understanding about ourselves is
Yes, sir.
essential. Because
Yes, sir.
everything, if you have pain, who is having pain? Body is having pain.
Body is
You
having
are
pain.
different. You are different.
Yes, sir.
That understanding, when you bear in your mind, your life becomes very simpler, and
Yes, sir.
you don't feel bad when
Uh,
when something happens, because
Yes, sir.
some pain happens in body, it is happening to body, and मुझे तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. Body, I am not the body. I am not the body. That much
Yes, sir.
understanding must be
Yes,
very clear. So let's start again our next slide. So I will do
Yes, sir.
slide
Thank you,
sharing
sir.
again.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, Ankit, for participating. Screen sharing. I want to do screen sharing. Yes. Okay. So is this exercise clear to all? What we did, we separated ourselves from our body. We separated ourselves from our body, and then next question arises कि अरे मैं कौन हूँ और मैं यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ? Why am I here? What is my purpose? If this purpose is understood, whole problem is solved. You spend your entire life and still मैं क्यों हूँ और क्यों आया हूँ यही पता नहीं चलता है. Then what is real is again another. क्या सच्चाई क्या है? Is it day to day? Yes, it is day here, but it's not real. It is night in US now. So what is real has to be understood. Now let's move to another point, and that is ethics. Now this is something, even if you don't know definition of ethics, we are all professors and ethically we are doing some good things, right?
Hello.
Ethically, yes, we are doing some good things. We are following certain moral principles. That is what is ethics. We know what is right or wrong. At least we are supposed to know what is right or wrong. Or we should know what is good or bad. We should know what are the norms or code of expected behavior from you as a teacher. Then can be, it can be this ethics can be related to nation, it can be related to society, a organization, political party, profession, or family. Everybody of us are following these different ethical principles in our various areas. Now let's talk about what is morality. These are nothing but principles concerning distinction between right and wrong. Principles in society, you observe something, as per that your behavior uh, changes. Now, next question that comes to our mind is, what is that we human want to seek, want to have? Again, now somebody, Ankit, again, can you unmute yourself? Just unmute yourself. Ankit, please unmute your. Keep Ankit unmute always. Sangram, please keep Ankit unmute. Ankit. Yes, Ankit. Ah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Ankit, don't feel that I am taking your ragging. These questions are very important, and your
Yes, sir.
sharing will be very useful to all others. That is why I am asking you again and again, and you are
Yes, sir.
answering
It's no
nicely.
issue,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
That's my pleasure, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now, tell me, what do you want in your life, or
I want
whatever
to be
thing you are
successful.
doing now? Yes, you want to be
I want to be
successful.
successful in life.
Very good. If you become
So,
successful,
yes, sir.
what will happen?
Sir, my family will be happy.
Yes, your family will be happy. If your family will be happy, what will happen?
My society will be happy.
You happy. Your society will be happy. What will happen?
Uh, Again, it's the part of the as I'm the part of the earth, of the world, and the India and the world,
Yeah.
and the city. My city will be identify me. That is Ankit Mune is the very glamorous and the happy things for the
Yes.
world.
Well, ultimately, what will happen if everything is happening, everything becomes happy, you will be happy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is the happiness we are trying to seek in this world. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Each human being is seeking happiness, but that is his only aim. Each human being is trying to seek happiness. But next question is, if all of us as a human being want to be happy, then are we not living happily? बराबर ना, सबको खुश होना है.
Yes, sir.
मगर इसका मतलब क्या है कि कुछ तो भी गड़बड़ है ना? कुछ तो भी
हाँ, sir,
गड़बड़ है. All
हर
of us,
खुशी के पीछे ये होता है.
हाँ, all of us face problems.
Yes, sir.
इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे, इंटरपर्सनल लेवल पे, सोसाइटल लेवल पे, इकोलॉजिकल लेवल, दैट इज आल्सो इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. मगर दो देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स, स्टिल वी बिकम हैप्पी समटाइम्स. मेनी टाइम्स वी
Yes, sir.
बिकम हैप्पी. सो कैन यू टेल मी व्हेन यू वर हैप्पी इन योर लाइफ अर्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल, आई विल कोट. फॉर एग्जांपल, while you pass your 4th standard examination, you were happy. Or
Yes,
when
sir.
you passed your 10th standard examination with certain grade, you felt happy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like that, which were the incidences in which you felt yourself happy?
Sir, actually, my family belongs very poor family,
Yeah.
and I am the one graduate and postgraduate and pursuing my PhD. That's why my father feel very proudly.
Yes.
And at the time, I joined this prestigious institute, PRMITR, Badnera.
Yeah.
At that time, they will be very happy for. They was very happy for that moment.
Correct.
So, yes, sir.
So at times, by certain achievement, by certain thing, you became happy.
Yes,
But
sir.
what happens is this happiness degrades. For example, if I give you some gift, once you open it, how will you feel happy? You will definitely feel happy, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
close
Yes,
that
sir.
box and next day you open the same box. Will you feel happy?
Yes. No, sir.
कम हो जाएगा
I
हैप्पीनेस.
don't
तीसरे दिन
know.
बोलेंगे तो कम,
Yes, sir.
8वें दिन बोलेंगे तो यार बंद करो ये हैप्पीनेस, ये गिफ्ट बंद करके रख दो. Or
Yes,
when
sir.
you bought a new car,
Yes, sir.
first day you are very happy. After
Yes,
1
sir.
year,
I know. I have a
देखते भी
car.
नहीं उसके ऊपर धूल कितनी है वो पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so this happiness which we got is not a permanent happiness.
Yes, sir.
it is temporary.
Definitely,
It
sir.
is not lasting. It is not
Yes, sir.
perpetual, or the kind of happiness which we are looking really in. Now, what is happening is we are looking for happiness. We are looking outside, in
Yes.
materials, in materialistic thing. But actually, it should be inside out approach. When you come to know who are you, as you came to know today, the happiness, really perpetual happiness will start.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
these are the various sources of happiness. Sensory inputs are there from
Yes,
which
sir.
you get happiness. कोई म्यूजिक अच्छा सुना, कान को अच्छा लगेगा. कोई अच्छी चीज देखी, अच्छा सीन देखा, अच्छा लगेगा. Or you may feel happy when somebody is trusting you, somebody is loving you, somebody is respecting you.
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
you may have state of feelings of being purposeful. ये बहुत important है.
Yes, sir.
When you feel that I am having certain purpose on this earth to achieve, my goals are very clear and I have means to achieve them, then you feel happy. So these can be the various sources of happiness. Now, if you analyze these sources, then the sensory or feelings with fellow human beings, sensory interactions do not give much happiness, lasting happiness. Feelings with human beings अच्छा लगता है. अब घर में रह रहे हैं, कोरोना है, घर में रह रहे हैं, तो रिलेशनशिप इंप्रूव हो गई, अच्छा लग रहा है. You can give quality time to your family members. Now, purposeful, here there is a great scope, state of purposefulness within oneself. Here there is a chance of getting happiness. So lasting
Happiness.
happiness, here is a proposition you can see. The possibility exists in two things, last two things. When you stay with human beings and when you have purposeful life, then you feel happy. Now, all human activities are trying to understand the things about the universe, about your existence, etc., and living out, validating, actualizing or our understanding. जो आपने समझा है उसको actualize करना है. So here the proposition is purpose of human life is to understand everything and live or actualize this complete understanding. This is the purpose. Now, what is everything? In understanding everything means what? Understanding self, as we did one exercise. मैं कौन हूँ? Then understanding the family, how the family should be. Understanding the society and understanding the nature and its existence. Now, what will manifest or actualize? One, complete understanding in individual will produce satisfaction, samadhan. Then, meeting of material needs and mutual fulfillment in the family will produce samruddhi or mulyamayata. Then justice, fairness, complementary mutuality and trust in society will produce nyaya. Nyaya means justice, not judgment. Judgment happens in courts. Nyaya is a thing which is decided mutually. So willingly we are following it. Then Saha Astitva is there, which is everlasting and ever enriching harmony amongst our four orders in nature. So it is this that all of us, that it is that that is also the true purpose of goal of human, that is lasting happiness is nothing but understanding and manifesting composite of above four यानी understanding of self, family, nature and society. So you can see, you are, as he rightly answered, he is an individual, he is a family member, he is a society member, and he is staying in this nature, in this universe. So at all these four levels, we have to understand human behavior. Now, what all human beings try to seek? The human being first try to understand its existence. Here, we will look in the presentation from different human conduct, human family, and human society. Now let's talk about human conduct. that is which ensures harmony, fulfillment within oneself and fellow human beings and with nature. This is also equally important. When would human conduct be natural expression? When innate coexistential harmony in existence is there, then when you understand this, there will be a natural expression of human conduct. Now these are the human values. Now when you talk of values, every person at individual level has certain values, their family has some value, group has some value. Let's try to understand these values. Now in family and society, human conduct manifests as self-reliance. Means you become self-reliant, you earn something, your own property, and you contribute to the welfare of family. Then morality, that is Swanari or Swapurush. Then where you follow your roles and responsibilities, and then finally you try to conserve the natural resources, right utilization of natural resources. Now I tell you, since 1995, I have contributed in preserving natural resources, say fuel, to some extent. Since 1995, I am not traveling in my car alone, whereas 3 other faculty members who are traveling on the same route are coming with me. So naturally, we are saving natural resources. Such thing you should follow. Such activities which
हाँ हाँ म्यूट है.
now first level of actuation in family is human purpose or goal. Now this self-fulfillment in the family, it starts at 2 levels, physical or material level and psychological level. Both are important. Material needs we require, we want to nurture our family members, care for them. For that, we want to care our aged people, ill people. For that, you have certain physical or material needs, and psychological needs, that is care, security, developing the right understanding in children, validation and actualization of their understanding in as an adult. Now, prosperity in family and understanding the values like trust, respect, love, gratitude in family is very important and basic building block for happiness. Now let's understand these values one by one. ट्रस्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको खुद में ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए. विश्वास, खुद में विश्वास हो तो अदर्स विल ट्रस्ट यू, एंड दिस विल मैनिफेस्ट टुवर्ड्स योर इंटेंशन. अदर पीपल विल ऑल्सो टू ट्रस्ट यू. Each human being around you will be happy. The best intention cannot be bring about desired outcomes unless the right understanding is also present. So trust capability is one of the most important value. Now second is respect. You should have respect. We are all following this. To our elders, to our colleagues, we give respect. So this is also a very important value. Then third one is commitment. Whatever responsibility you took, that you must be committed to that. So commitment is very essential. Then comes care. So responsibility towards well-being of your fellow human beings, your family members, your society members, ill people, etc. We are taking that. In this corona period, many of us have taken care of those who are not earning. They have donated some amount, they have helped their colleagues for doing this, achieving their natural life. Then receptivity and excellence, receptivity for excellence. So whatever thing you are doing, try to be best in that. So that also is one of the value. Then guidance by example. This is very important. Now, guidance by example. If you live certain life, people will automatically understand. When you are rearing your children, that time also how you behave affects more than how you talk. आप बोलने से जो फायदा नहीं होगा, वो आप बर्ताव जैसा करोगे उससे बच्चे सीखते हैं. So that is very important. Then gratitude. Gratitude is a very important thing. And I have understood one thing, that in your PhD research or any research, you are writing one thing, that is acknowledgement. This acknowledgement is very important part in your thesis. If you start acknowledging the people earlier to your research, in your subconscious mind, automatically those people will start helping you as per law of attraction. So if you have gratitude towards anything, you will be achieving your goals very easily. Now, on this gratitude, there is very good book by Rhonda Bee, the writer of the book The Secret. That name of this book is Magic. It is a 28 days program. Everybody of us should read this book and follow this program. You will definitely achieve much more things. Then esteem, that is recognition and willing adoption of qualities. You should recognize not only qualities within yourself, but in others. And last is love. Last is love. Now this love, you can see, this love is cumulative expression of all other values. Cumulative expression of all other values. One song I will be presenting here, which states about love. Just listen. Very old song, Raj Kapoor song. It started in middle. Let's again play it. Okay, so this song I will again play. The wordings are very important. Then comes, so all these qualities are very essential in family. Now, nyay or justice, as I said, the nyay cannot happen. Nyay cannot happen in court. It is judgment which is given. And when you give judgment, you are doing it by force, not willingly. So when there is a consensus and you arrive at some common thing, then it is willingly acceptable. That is the greatest part of this justice or nyay. So, so at society also, you can look at human society from 5 different angles. 5 different angles. One is education system, another is production system, third is exchange system, health system, and justice. Now we will see one by one all these systems, and we will see how is the current system and what can be the proposal. What can be the proposal? So this education system is related with us. So our current systems are shaped by our world overviews. So what we deem valuable, we aspire as human being and society, all our systems advertently or inadvertently start catering to those values and aspirations. So law of attraction here also works. So let's see about education system. Current system is blood, self also. I plus body. Material things are important and psychological things are also important. Now, in current system, there is information overload, lot of, so parts we are coming and trying to reach to full, but in proposed system, you decide some purpose, certain whole thing, and from that you study to parts. So that approach, that is the content, is an understanding of self, of existence, and consequently of human family, society, and conduct. We develop multiplicity of skills, self-confidence, qualities and abilities, balance between one's understanding and living. Now, such system of education would only work if those teaching it are themselves living it. Is very important. बोले तैसा चाले त्याची वंदावी पावले. It's a saying in Marathi. So you are teaching something and you are following something. So that will not work. Then production system. Now this production system is also equally important. In production system, we interpret the unquenched physiological, psychological needs is being caused not having just by enough. You want to produce this is because your ये भी होना वो भी होना क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसा है. Despite our material needs and sensory needs, we continue to feel unfulfilled, because satisfaction, true happiness will start from within, not from external. But external material things are equally important. So that is what one should understand. And because of this, what has happened? Certain false beliefs have been developed in society. Like life is struggle, one has to compete to survive. Nature is a resource for man's use and has to be tamed and conquered. Exploitation thus becomes inevitable, and what we produce is society with classes. We produce society with classes and ransacking of nature. We are just ransacking nature, so that should be avoided in the suggested system. Production should be decentralized. Production is based on raw materials which are not available locally. It should not happen. So in proposed production system, some ecological impacts in current production system, there are certain ecological impacts like toxic effluents are produced in factories. You are burning fossil fuels. Now recently, some study in states have stated that by 2034, 90% of electricity generated in US will be from non-conventional resources, not by burning fossil fuels. Or here, use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, we all know what problems they are creating. These fertilizers are being used in Punjab, and you are finding so many cancer hospitals in Punjab, because we don't know, when we are going away from nature, what problem. And legitimacy bring the change in nature. Now, it is impossible to save planet and humanity if we don't change our view. Now, right understanding of psychological and material needs of human being in proposed is the proposed solution, and understanding human relationship and human nature relationship. So proposed production systems, certain key features is for fulfillment of material needs of being human beings. Then production should be based on understanding of the cycles and interrelationship in nature. Sustainability is a buzzword nowadays. Then fair and equitable compensation for human efforts. Then only organic fertilizer can be used and the produce can be profitable. Then exchange system is there, because valuation of gold is unrealistic, that should be correct. Then prices are determined, should be determined by valuation actually, not by supply and demand. So all these things, if you take care, then exchange system can also be improved, and nowadays health system very important in this corona period. We are losing immunity because of following of unethical, improper practices in our life. So improper lifestyles, use of excessive use of allopathy, which is largely symptom based and which is trying to suppress the disease, the symptoms. This has made us guinea pigs. So we should try to avoid excessive sensory indulgence and attempt to get lasting happiness from material means. A look at the causes of ill health is lack of complete understanding of I or self, the body. Is there any role of seasons that we should see, and is physical labor essential? Here I would like to quote one example. Dr. Jaju from Sevagram Medical College. He is giving water to his plants by use of bucket and mug, and not by use of pipe. Why? Because he feels that physical labor is equally important. Our body is meant for physical labor. एक जगह बैठे रहोगे, that is not a good thing for your lifestyle. So health system में you should give understanding as a human being as I and body. You should understand human purpose, happiness, though purposeful living, through purposeful living and through human relationships, understand design of the human body, and understand the cycle of nature. So all these system, and the last system is justice. As I said, the uh, court is enforcing laws and giving solutions, just judgments which are to be enforced by law. But if you do on consensus basis, then you may not require forceful implementation, because that it will be voluntarily done and willingly the people will follow. So we have to unravel the environmental knot. Differentiation between psychological and material needs through right content in education is essential. Then, just to sum up what we have seen where definition of philosophy, ethics, morals and values, awareness about body and self, then happiness, sources of happiness and lasting happiness we have seen, and the happiness comes from within, not from outside. Then we have seen understanding about human conduct, human family and human society, and we have seen the 5 dimensions of human society with education, production, exchange, health and justice. Now this ethics, morals or values, when you apply it to research and publication, what actually we are doing? We are implementing same thing. We all know different areas have been covered very nicely in this STTP. And in these different areas like plagiarism is there, whether you are following ethical practice in publication, whether the data is a cooked data or real data, whether you are taking proper use of the tools like statistical tools, or just to prove your result you are using some particular tool which fits you. So that should not happen. So here these are very important things which we should follow. Now let's listen to this song which we heard earlier about love, Sneha. Yes, somebody has raised hand. Okay, somebody has raised hand. Yes, ask. किसने हाथ? Somebody has raised hand. C676B580 raised hand. Yes. Okay. So I will pause screen share, and now thank you very much for patient listening to this topic. Yes, Professor Aniket Raut has raised hand. Please ask the question. Please unmute Aniket Raut.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you elaborate again the gratitude?
Yes, gratitude. See, in your body there are different organs.
Okay.
For example, heart, which is working the day you are born till you will die. Had you said thank you to that anytime?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Daily if you do that, and particular to each organ of your body, if you do that, your health will improve.
Okay.
Okay. And there is very good book, The Magic by Rhonda B, the author of the book Secret. It is a 28 days program. You just follow that program. You will feel like anything. Best book, The Magic. It was published in 2011 after the book The Secret was published. So gratitude is something which is very important. And one more thing, if you try to follow in your life, when you sleep, you just forgive those who have troubled you.
Okay.
Why? Whether they will be benefited or not, we don't know. But we are keeping some bad opinion about that person in our precious mind.
Correct.
So our mind is precious. वो कुछ कचरा पेटी नहीं है, उसमें कुछ भी wrong feelings उसमें डालना है, अच्छे feelings डालना है. उसको फायदा होगा नहीं होगा, मगर you will be benefited. So when you sleep, you should think good about even a person who has troubled you.
Okay, sir.
Though you may be right, but he has used some bad words, he has given trouble to you, you forgive him, and that is good for us. Okay.
Yes.
Anybody else? Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Aniket. So shall we conclude? Yes, two participants again raised hand. Please ask them to unmute.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, audible. Yes.
Sir, this is Midin Surudikar from Pune.
Good. Yes.
This has been a fantastic session, sir.
Thank you very much.
You did it very calmly, with all the patience and very firmly, steadily. Thank you very much. This is very informative. And sir, please, it's request to share the recording of the same on YouTube or
It
just
will be shared. It will be shared.
Yes. Thank you very much, and this has been a fantastic.
You should understand one thing. Even AICTE has now made it compulsory to incorporate this topic.
Yes, sir.
At first year level to students, and for that they are going to give, because of shortage of the faculty, trained faculty. Otherwise, they are going to give this ethics part to management, to principal, to all the faculties.
Yes,
So how important this area is very, you can understand from this. AICTE has given this.
Sir, the way you have delivered, it's actually genuinely fantastic. Sir.
Thank you very much for your comments, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
One more person was there.
अबे बातम्या लावणं खाली पाहुण्यात 1 मिनिट दाखव बरं 12च्या बातमी पाहू.
One more person, Milind.
Yes, sir. I just spoke.
Yes, okay. Anybody else has any question? Okay, thank you, sir. Vishram, sir, shall I stop here? Milind Apparao Surudikar has raised hand. Please unmute him.
No, sir. I just spoke, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Anybody else? Or shall we stop? Okay. Okay, Vishram, we'll stop here. You can have your next session.
Sir, please wait for vote of thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your deep knowledge about the philosophy and ethics with us.
Yes.
Your
Okay.
session was full of enthusiasm and valuable knowledge. Thank you
Okay.
once again. Now I declare today first session is over and second session will be meet at sharp 12 o'clock.
Two more participants have raised hand.
Okay, sir. Please
Just.
yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello, sir. It was a really very nice session, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
May I know
one
who
question.
is speaking?
Sir, I am Dr. Vivek from
Yeah.
Jalgaon, sir.
Okay.
It is. I enjoyed your session really. Some
Okay.
things about ethics and all. You have told that before sleeping or
Yeah.
going to sleep, you should
Yeah.
have to forgive that person, those who
Yes.
are not feeling well in
Yes.
the day.
Yes.
Sir, is there any right method to forgive so that we can have a good sleep for us?
Yes.
That is any technique,
See.
because that is generally the problem that we kept in our mind, and it is difficult to.
Very right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, when you are sleeping, you just bring the person who has troubled you, his face in front of you, and you
Right, sir.
forgive from heart. You just utter few words and ask that please forgive me for whatever trouble or whatever bad thoughts I have kept in my mind. एक और चीज आप कर सकते हो, if you are not understand Marathi or Hindi.
Yeah, Marathi, it's okay.
Marathi,
Hindi is okay.
You can read one very good book, Kshamechi Jadoo by Happy Thoughts, Tej Gyan Foundation. Fantastic book.
Okay.
Kshamechi Jadoo. And then you will understand complete philosophy of why you should forgive oneself. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And
Thanks
one
a
more
lot.
person is there. Somebody else was also there. Okay. So nobody is there. No question. Vivek, Kahai, raised hand. You have talked. Okay.
Yes.
One more person. 2 persons participants raised hand. Please unmute them. Okay, nobody is there. Okay, thank you very much. We will conclude. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Over to Vishal. Okay.